All right, we are back in Austin.
Yep.
And we are in this area right outside of downtown. It has a whole lake view type situation.
Yep. It's hot.
It's hot. It's like 100 degrees out here.
It is, but
whew.
Howdy do there.
So right now we are at Blue Lacy at the Origin Hotel eating breakfast. Austin has been great so far. The festival opening night last night was great. I wish I took a lot of footage, but it was a lot of working around, a lot of networking with people. But you guys are gonna see a lot more of the footage. PAFF in Austin. It's been a great experience so far, and let's see where we go from here. Got bacon. We're walking on Old Congress Street, and it's a lot of shops and restaurants, so it's a nice little walk. It's something different this time.
How so?
Whoever back there cooking for a lot more seasoning on the meat.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Also gonna be hungry, but yeah. That's good. A little bit of spice. Some of that juice. A couple onions. Super consistent. Try the potato salad. Question of the day, will I be back? This is my second time coming, so I guess the answer is yes. Alright, make you a little sandwich. A little original on one side, hot spicy on another. Throw that brisket in there, pause. A pickle, couple onions. Some of that juice. We need a little bit of cream. There you go, Pear. You like it?
Good sandwich.
Hey, yeah, there you go. Nah, it's my first time.
Oh, you're gonna enjoy it, bro. Go ahead and get him. Go ahead and lick your fingers. I don't mind. Let me get you some pepper top. You want to get in. Get greasy. Yeah, I'm just gonna let you know you're gonna need them.
Thank you.
Yeah, here's the deal. And those actually sound that.
Oh, that's why they was playing Afro beats.
People don't know.
I was like, why are you playing Afro beats in there? All right, so now we're on the studio tour.
Like that's it.
And
That's
I
all
know
you
you didn't
got.
see a lot. You just skip straight to the studio tour because that's what I want you to see as a filmmaker. The great things that we go through. This is the team. This is the filmmaking team.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
I'm just using that, but that's in the back.
These are all famous people. See y'all at the studio.
Or it has the control room, which we can kind of go through and look. It has the control room for broadcast style. So it's got 7 cameras total. There's 5 Blackmagic for broadcast.
It's only just more than nothing. I don't keep
I think that technology's leveling the playing field. Now everybody has access to it as never before. It would be shut out a little bit.